The Adventurer 5M 3D printer makes 3D printing accessible with its fully automated leveling feature, ensuring consistent and high-quality prints without manual adjustments. Its remarkable speed, with a travel speed of 600 millimeters per second, makes it ideal for both rapid prototyping and mass production, saving valuable time. With the ability to change nozzles in just 3 seconds and a quick warm-up time, it offers users both efficiency and convenience for various creative projects. The printer excels in print quality with its dual-fan nozzles and a direct extruder that can reach 280 degrees Celsius, accommodating different materials and detailed designs. The Adventurer 5M includes a real-time monitoring app that enhances user experience by allowing adjustments and alerts, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted printing operations. This model from FlashForge showcases a robust all-metal structure, providing stability and precision, making it a reliable choice for industrial and scientific applications.